Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. This month's challenge is comfort food. Wow, just brain farted. So I gotta make one of my top 10 favorite all-time just meals in general, not even just comfort, but it's biscuits and gravy. Love biscuits and gravy. So let's get cooking. Actually, I think I'm more looking forward to eating it than I am making it, so let's get busy. All right, so let's go over making yogurt biscuits. 1 cup flour. This is just all-purpose. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 3/4 teaspoons salt. So that's that. Then you're gonna go 2 ounces of butter. You're gonna actually, I like to get flour on my cutting tool to cut the butter into the, excuse me. I'll show you why. So, same thing I do with my bannock or pie dough, just chop your butter up into the flour. I've actually made these so many times that while the oven is preheating, I can start putting all the stuff together, the ingredients, and be done before the oven's hot. So I've made these a lot, and it's a really easy recipe. You just kind of have to, you want to cut the butter into the flour. Notice I'm using the spoon to get the everything out of the. So you just cut that right in there. A pro tip, I don't know if you noticed, I probably forgot to show it, but I use a knife and I cut the butter up previously. Okay, and then you're gonna have your yogurt. This is just plain yogurt. I highly recommend keeping the spoon out because I've often had to add a little bit more. I've had to add a little bit more yogurt. Maybe it's because I'm using Greek yogurt. It doesn't have as much moisture as like regular plain yogurt, but I haven't seen just regular plain yogurt in a long time, so that could explain the lack of. So I'm gonna need a little bit more, so give about a spoonful. Out of my way. Basically just stir this so it looks, it's all incorporated. And I think we're there. Set my recipe aside. Now I can go ahead and put my yogurt away. So that's that. Go ahead and flour your surface. And then do it with that knife. Don't want to miss any of the goodness. So just turn this out onto your floured surface. There you go. Then I try to get my hands floured up so I can work it. Just and I don't bother with a rolling pin. I just get it to about there for thickness. I'll just start cutting biscuits out. Just like that. I may have grabbed the wrong size biscuit cutter. Should be alright though. Look at the 4. So it looks like I end up getting about 4.5. I got this little one here. That's alright though. Sweet. Let me clean up. Alright, a little pro cleanup tip. Get yourself a plastic bench scraper. It makes quick work of the flour pile. Just like that. Now I just toss it right in the garbage. Flop these into a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. I gotta have bacon with my breakfast. Breakfast for dinner. Yum. Alright, so bacon is done. Yes, I did use a skillet. Speaking of bacon, I want a little bit of this bacon grease. And do I just got some Jimmy Dean sausage here. So sweet on my sausage. I got 6.5 minutes left of my biscuits. I need to move it. Now I like to add a little seasoning. And I'm gonna add a little slap your mama to my sausage. Yes, I pretty much use this in everything. I like to season my sausage a little bit. And it might sound a little weird, but garlic too. I won't need salt because there's plenty of that in the sausage already. Alright, sausage is looking pretty done. Pull it out. And get it everywhere but the bowl. Cheese. I need that bacon grease. Scrape up some of these sausage bits. Add some flour. I gotta reduce the heat. And I gotta throw in milk. Should have reduced the heat first. That was my bad. I'm recording still, right? Okay, good. see how those biscuits look. Oh yeah. Nice and brown on the bottom. Look at that. Mm. The consistency of the gravy looks pretty good. Throw the sausage back in. Kill the oven. Reduce the heat. Skillet's heating up, or skillet for eggs. And I broke a yolk. Darn it. Oh well. I guess one will be over hard. I like pepper my eggs, but I'll take it up. Pepper my gravy, and then also add some salt. Gotta season your Alright, let's do a little flip of those eggs. Get some nice thick gravy. Look at that. And then, can't forget my bacon. Alright, there you go. Bacon, eggs, biscuits, and gravy. And, and of course, no meal is complete without Texas Pete. A little on the egg. Oh yeah. Biscuits and gravy. I mentioned it was one of my favorites. Mm. Also fry the egg. Got a little bit of hot sauce in there. Oh man. Oh yeah. Anyway, the description and also the end cards are going to have the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday and last week's video. You're welcome to go check that out. Don't forget to check out Sean at Shovelhead8, who keeps these going every week. So we do appreciate your hard work, Sean. And we'll catch you next week. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. I'll figure something out. Alright, see ya.